And why we ask Mom or Dad for help? Talking about Mimi, Nana, peanut butter, oatmeal, chocolate chips. Let's go! Let's master Nana. Let's here first. Oops, I smashed it. I smashed it, Nana. Faster, Nana.
1 hour later.
Make them chew. Or smash. Oopsies. It's a volcano. Peanut butter. Oops. Chocolate chips. Now mix. Oops. I made a mess.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
We made a mess again. Pea in the oven. Put it on the tray. There's more coming. Add the peeling to bake. I'm gonna try this one. Hi everyone. Hi guys. That was really good. Thanks for watching.